What the fuck? The guy was like... His tire squealed and like he kind of burned out. But his tire smoke smells like cotton candy. That makes no sense to me. What the fuck, man? What's what? It says I heart Hondas and it's crossed out. Did you not see it? It's dirty and it's written. Burn out or squeal out. Not today.
I know you like my shit. I know you like my shit. I know you like, so like my shit.
A PS Records production.